Okay, my students, today we will talk about fractional indices. If you want to ask about any problems from the previous lesson, any difficult question? No, mashallah. Smart boys. Now we will take our lesson about fractional indices. First, you must know that. Okay, maybe we took it before about if we have root a. Root meaning square root. Be with me, yeah? It will be a power what? 2. 2. 1 over 2. Okay, it's a power half. I'll tell you what is the story here. You must know that what we name this square root. Okay, it's a square root. Good. Then I'll tell you something about this. Here is a number, but not written. What is the number here? 2. What we name this? What we name this for? Power. The 4. It's not power. Huh?
Square.
Index, not power. It's index. Okay. Then another thing. If you put anything inside, it must be to the power, maybe 1, maybe 2. Then here I'll put a again. I'll ask you what is the power of a here? A power what is? A without anything. It's a power? Oh. 1. What's 2? 2. Hidden 2. It's not hidden. I didn't see it. Okay. This is a power 1. Then if you want to take a out of the root, okay, it will be like this. You will put here a. Here is power. This is the first time I write it like this. Over what? Index. Good. You understand? So do I. Then, if it's like this, cube root, here it is the second root. The first root, square root. Cube root is the second root. Cube root, a, it will be a to the power of 1 over 3.
Yes.
Power over index.
Okay.
In general. In general. If you write here, nth root, the meaning any number. Square root, cube root, 4th root, 5th root.
28.
It will be 28 or 28.
28.
It will be a power 1 over. Thank you so much. Allah Kareem. I am afraid from you. Then now, you can put here any index and do it. Easy? Easy?
Yes.
Then, number 4, put line, Baba. It is line like this. It's good to write, to make it like this. Thank you so much. Then again, number 4, if you write nth root for a power m, it will be a Power, yes.
M over
Very good, mashallah. My best boy. Then now we can put it. I don't know. This is can do it like this. It will be different. Yes. Okay, thank you. Because it's disappeared. Now can I take you here? Thank you. And we want to resize again. Yes, you want to be big. Good. Now, if you take any example according to this, it's easy for you. Example. If you write fifth root for x, it will be x power. Yes, Ilan?
1 over 5.
1 over 5. I need to adjust it. It's not good. 1 over 5. Try to make your power small. You know, Shab? Then if we write cube root y squared. Yes.
2 y, 2
Your y power 2 over. Very good. 3. Seventh root m bar 5. Is Shab?
5 over 7.
Power?
5 over 7.
Thank you. But I want to know to know something. It is good to make line. Sorry, sorry, wallah. This every time you want to go right, left, right. Thank you. MashaAllah. Material. Yes. Don't skip. Then here. You must know. You must know what? Square root of x power 2 equals
X equal 1 over
and I need what is the result? Or tell me the result. Don't tell me story.
X bar 1.
X. No need to say power 1.
Just the X.
Okay. Then if your power equal to your index, the root will disappear. Okay. Or sometimes you can write it like this. Take care. Root x times root x, it will be x. This is the same, huh? Then, if we have cube root x to the power of 3, it will be the same, huh? X. Please don't let me to raise my voice because it will be problem at home. Maybe they will die. Then, according to this, you can multiply cube root x by cube root x by cube root x. It will be x. 3. In general, nth root for x all power n, it will be what?
X.
X. One information, it not in our studying, but know it. Okay. If we have square root of x squared, you cannot write x. It will be something like this. Who can tell me? Huh?
It will be just X.
No.
Power 2.
You know this?
No.
It's modulus. Modulus must be positive all the time. Just to know, it's not in our studying, okay? This is. I can say, take care. What take care? I think this lesson is different. Square root of what is? Oh. Thank you. Okay. Then if we write here 7 power 2, what is the result? 7.
7.
Square root of negative 5 power 2.
Maybe.
Yes.
Yeah, five, just right.
Only 5.
Okay. Then you must know square root must be more than or equal to 0. Okay. 0 or positive. That's meaning to have this is 0 or positive. You understand?
Yes.
You can write, but please quickly, because the other thing. Okay, the students at home, you can write. After writing, you can open your book. Okay, if you have your book, page 123. No problem. is about Fan and Ammar. If you want to ask about anything, you can ask now. Okay? I'll open the chat to ask me if you want. And if you want to talk, no problem. I'll unmute you. If you want to talk, you can talk. You can ask me, Fan and Ammar. Okay? Yes. When you finish, tell me. One, two, three.
Finish.
Yes, Ammar, you wanted to say something?
No, no.
Ammar.
No, nothing, mister.
Okay, thank you. Okay, boys, if you finish, you can open it for page 123. Okay, return, no problem. Okay. Have you finished?
Yes, Mr. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
What page again?
See. You can see your worked examples, okay, about expressing in the form. You must know how to change from the root form or the index form or exponent like this, okay. Then about simplifying, you can simplify using the rule of powers. If you multiply, adding powers, if you divide, subtracting powers like this, then you have many examples here to solve. Then just we can start our exercise here. If you open your book, now we can make your share. Okay. And then you can see your book now on your screen. And there is the first question. Rewrite the following in the form a power m over n. Then try to solve it now. Okay, I'll take it. Let's take it. Take snapshot. I'll talk only this. Share. Now you can see your exercise here. Exercise 12.3. It's page. The same page, 1 to 3. 1 to 4?
Yes.
Okay, some books 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, all of you. Okay. Here, if you want to write this form into fractional index, is Ahmad.
Portion of equals in bracket fifth root a.
Okay, I want to write it as a power what?
What do you mean, sir?
it will be, you change your root like this. We take this. Maybe here is n, here is a power m. It will be
A power m over n.
good. Okay, you will answer, Ammar. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, you must know that it's the same view of if you have nth root of a all to the power of m, it's the same. Okay, then now the answer will be a power
A power
Ahmed. Yes,
A power 3 over 5.
thank you.
Also don't have to write all that. Just to find out.
Yes, then you must know that about if you change it into powers or into root. Yes, Ammar, you can answer. Where is Ammar? You can answer Ammar question 2a. You can open your mic. You want to change it into root. Understand the question? You can talk.
Okay.
Okay, Ammar. Yes, tell me the answer for 2a.
Brackets, square root, b.
You will put root, okay? And you will
Okay.
put b. What can we write in the square root and b power what inside?
2.
Then take care. If you want to change it, I'll give you another example, okay? We said that if you have nth root a power m equals a power m over what? Over n. You can make it in this direction or opposite direction. We need the opposite direction. I want to change it into root. Then what is the index here?
7.
Good. And what is the power here?
2.
Very good. Thank you. You understand now? Thank you, Ammar.
Yes.
Then now, he said here simplify. That's the meaning. We have the same base. What is the base here? What is the base? You don't know what does it mean base? A. And what can we do with powers? Yes. Oh.
1 over 2.
1 over 2 what? Plus. If you multiply, you will add powers. It will be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5. Here is, it will be a power what?
Mister, I have it.
6 over 8.
6 over 8. No problem. 6 correct or wrong? 6 over 8.
1 over
6 wrong. It's correct. Okay, you have another answer? A power what?
I was going to say 2 over 6.
From where 2 over 6? You must make common denominator first. I'll ask you. You know pizza? Pizza. Okay, we have half of pizza and quarter of pizza. Okay, it's half and quarter. What is the total? Oh, this. MashaAllah. This is pizza. La ilaha illallah. I make it. Okay. This is pizza. Imagine it's pizza. Okay. Here is half. Correct? And here is what? Quarter. Correct?
Yes.
Then let's see what can we do. We took this part. This is what? And we took this part. What is the total?
1 over 6.
4. Over 3.
3/4.
3/4.
2 over 3.
3/4 or 2/3.
Okay.
MashaAllah.
Ah, wait. So
Don't go to Pizza Hut or Domino's Pizza. You are not getting calculating fractions. It will be what? 3/4, 6/8, correct. And simplify. Then, oh, Allah Kareem. Then now it will be, you can write 6/8
Or 3
and
over 3 over
you can write a power 3/4. It's the same if you simplify. But if you want to do it using your mind without calculator, if you have, please stop this voice. 1/2 plus 1/4. You remember, if you want to make common denominator, okay, you multiply here by what? By 2. It's easy to multiply by 2 to make common denominator. It will be what? 2/4 plus 1/4. Then now, if you have the same denominator, you can add up. It will be 2 plus 1/4 plus 3/4. This is with your mind. If you put it in calculator, it will be only one click to get your answer. But you must do it using your mind. Don't be lazy. Okay. You wrote everything in your book or what? We have many notes. You wrote everything. This is it's very important. This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. You don't know how to eat pizza.
We'll go home and witness.
Instead on 2C and D, if the power is -2 over 5, how do we answer?
Tell me from this two, question 2.
It's 2C.
Try to tell me quickly. Yes,
It's B
B.
power
Hmm.
-2 over 5.
Yes.
The negative isn't in the fraction. It's the same.
First, you must do like what? 1/, change it into positive first. It will be 1/b power.
2 over 5.
Okay. Then change it into root. It will be,
B,
what is the index?
5.
5. B power.
3. 2.
From where 3?
Is that 2 or? I can't see.
I cannot see now.
You can't see.
I.
You are 55 rupees.
Okay, boys. Now you must take your homework because our time will be only 6 minutes left. Exercise 12.3.
Yes.
I think it's not too much. How many questions?
3, 4, 5.
5?
What? Yes, fine.
It will be, sorry, we can write it from 1 to 5. All of them A, B, C, D, E. All of them? All of them.
Yes.
C and D for each. You can solve all. I think it's so easy. Okay. Ammar, you want to ask about anything before we go out? If you go to your account or platform, you will get all the previous lesson on the YouTube. Okay. I think we have 3 materials up to now. 1 picture and 2 videos. Okay. Today I'll put the 3rd video. Okay, any question now? Thank you so much.